Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Postiz with n8n to post content on multiple social media platforms at once. You can post content on Blue Sky, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, and almost all other social media platforms, all in just one automated workflow. I will walk you through how it works, how to use Postiz API inside n8n, and how you can set this up for yourself in just a few minutes. I will attach the JSON file with you in the community. So you can simply come here, import the file, and just plug your own API keys, platform setting, and the automation will be ready to use. So first understand, so Postiz is an open source social media automation platform that let you create, schedule, and publish content on multiple social media platforms from one place. So if you see here, we have the calendar here. You can simply come here to add your channels here, so you can connect multiple YouTube channels, multiple LinkedIn profiles, and all other social media platform, right? And if you go to their documentation page, they have the guidelines to connect all the social media platform with Postage, so you can simply connect any number of channels inside the Postage. Also, if you see here, for you can simply come here, you can directly make a post from Postage as well. So you can write a description, you can add the video file here, and you can directly post it here, or you can save as a draft as well. So this is what you can directly do inside this. Here are your settings, so you can change the setting as well, right? And here we need to copy the channel ID. So this is the channel ID we need in our automation. So I will tell you more about this in a bit. And other than this, we have the settings. So it support the webhook as well, so you can make an HTTP call from anywhere, and we can add our webhook to receive it, right? And also we have our API. So we have the public API, you can simply reveal it and we can use in our automation. So first let's go to our workflow. And first thing, you need to understand how we can integrate this postage node in our n8n workflow. So if you are self-hosted or install n8n locally on your computer, so all you need to do is come here to your profile, click on settings, click on automate community nodes, and here I already had the postage node, but in your case you can simply come here, write a n8n nodes postage, click the checkbox and just install it. Right now for me it's I already installed, that's why it give me this error. But in your case, once you install it, go back here, and if you click here and search for node, so we have the postage node here, and here are different action we can edit, right? So this is how you can done it. To explain the workflow, I simply create a table base here. So we have the file name, the video file, and there's a status that trigger our automation. So here, if you look into the automation start with a simple test workflow. Then here you need to simply connect your table credentials, select your base table, and this is the formula that we want to use. Whenever the status change to ready for post, we grab the file, and here we simple make HTTP request to get the file in n8n. Once we download the file in n8n, we can upload the file media into the postage. So if you look this node here, so this is the file, we just need to upload it in our postage account. So here you can simply come here, create new credentials, and here you need to put your API keys. So all you need to do is go to your postage account, we already here, click on setting, click on public API reveal, and copy the keys here and just paste it here and save it, right? So that's how you can connect your postage account with n8n. I already had my account, so for your case you need to do this. And once we upload the file in postage, the next thing we need is a channel ID. Okay, so if you look into this, we connect our account and we want the operation is to get channels, right? So it pull out all the IDs of the channel that we wants to post in, right? So here we can simply add a simple add a filter. So for particular channel ID, it's go to particular route. Okay, but for the demo purpose I don't do it, but once you do it you can simply pass it, right? So here one more thing, if you have multiple channels, you can use this if node here. So if the channel ID or channel name is equal to your name, we can pass it and post it, right? So you can use the multiple channel as well if you want, and then you can simple use if node to filter out the channel that you want to post in, right? So here is the main part. So when you make a publish post on YouTube, so let's take this example. If you open it, so operation is create a post, type is now, and this is the date when you want to post it. Or so you can easily customize this from our a table. So you can select a date here, and rightly you can customize or dynamically pass the value as well. So we have the date. Here is the channel ID. So once we fetch the postage integrations, we get the channel ID and we pass the channel ID for the particular channel, right? We get the channel ID, and here are the important part for settings. So whenever make an HTTP call, we need to focus on these settings. So right now, if you are using the JSON file, you can simply download it and directly use it. You don't need to focus on these settings, right? But let's say if you want to post on LinkedIn, so LinkedIn there is a different content. You can make an text content, or you can make a carousel content, or you can make upload a video as well, right? So each have a different setting. So I already set up all the settings. If you look into the TikTok, we can give, when we open it, so you can see we have the date, channel ID, and here you can see we have load of settings here. So we have key is privacy label, value is public to everyone, and the value type. So if you look it, we have privacy label, content posting method, add auto add music, comment, dude. So we have load of setting, right? So let me show you how you can understand what setting we need to turn on and how we can configure these nodes, right? So if you are using this template, so you can directly use it, but let me show you how you can understand and how you can make your own notes for this, right? So if you go to the postage documentation, and here we have the public API. So if you scroll down, we have different endpoints, right? To get the channel ID, to get the next available slot, to upload a new file. So we have different endpoints. The main thing I want to show you this, like we have the response play background here. So let's say we want to post a video on YouTube. So first you need to simply come here, select your channel you want to post it. So I select my channel name with automation for YouTube, and here I can add the description. So let's add a description, taste postage in n8n. When I add a description, you can see we have the preview right here. If you want to upload a video, so you can simply click here, add media. So now we have the caption or the description, and we have the video, right? You can simply come here and create the output. Once you do this, you can select the setting as well. So you can select the type is public or private. You can write the name of the title. So n8n Postiz integration. So let's say I put this title here. You can add a tag here. So these are the setting, you can customize it, and once you're comfortable with this or happy with the results, you can simply create an output. And once you do this, it auto generate all the codes for you. And the main thing you need to focus on here is these settings, right? So right now we have the two settings here for YouTube. This is the title and the type, right? And if you look into my n8n node for YouTube, when we open it, so we have the two settings here, right? For the key is title. So let me do this here. So title is your video name, right? n8n Postage integration in this case, and the other is type is public. So other is type is public, and the value type is a string. So whatever comes into setting, you can simply come here, add the key. So this is the key part. This is for the value. This is what you need to do and input all the settings inside your node here, okay? And these are the setting. You can add multiple more settings here. So just the same way, right? And this is the main part. So this is the description, this is the image, or in this case, if you want to make a video, it's also show under the image, so don't worry about it. So just provide this here. You can add one more content item if you want to post a multiple images or the videos on the LinkedIn or any other platform, right? So that's what you need to do it. So I already customize all the nodes based on the platform. So let's say if you want to post on TikTok, right? So we have lot of settings here for privacy label, content posting method, and you can see we have a lot of settings here. You can change the setting as well if you want, okay, and customize all the settings here, and it all follow the same process, right? You need to simply come here, delete the code. If you want to, let's say, post on TikTok, select your TikTok account here, and So we keep the same here, create output. And if you look into the settings, right, so we have lot of settings for the TikTok. We have privacy level, and it's set to public to everyone. So this is what you need to keep in mind when you are using these nodes, right? So this is how you can set up all these nodes. And once you have set up all these nodes, all you need to do is directly pass all the dynamic value from your Airtable and posting on n8n. So let me show you how we can post this video file here into my YouTube channel. So let's remove these nodes for now here. So I just want to make a post on YouTube because I don't want to go all to my social media platform and delete all the test records, right? So I will open my YouTube channel here as well. So we can directly see if there is a record or not. Okay. So if you go here, this is my channel. So right now I don't have any video other than this. So let's see. When we execute the workflow, it take the file from the Airtable base. This file, we have the video link here. It download the file. It upload the file media to Postage. And once it update in Postage, you can see here we have this ID, right? We use this ID in our further automation. And here we fetch all the integration. So you can see here it fetch 14 items. And if you open it, you can see we create all the channel ID with the channel name, the channel identifier, and everything, right? And based on this, we can directly route all the social items. We can route all the items on particular node, right? For in this case, I just want to pass to YouTube. And here you can see we have 3 item passed here, and then we use the filter. So because we want to only post on YouTube channel that name with automation, right? So if you have multiple YouTube channel and you want to post in particular YouTube channels or want to customize it, you can use this filter and automatically post on YouTube as well, right? And if you look into it, we get the post ID here, right? So we can track the status. And if we go to directly YouTube here, so you can see initially we have the one video and now we have one more video. So the video is automatically posted here. See the video, we have the same description here. And that's what you can simply achieve by the n8n, right? With post integration. So you can taste the workflow for all the nodes and directly post it here, right? And one more thing we have in Postage, we have analytics. So we can simply come here for analytics. Here you can select the channel you want to track and you can track all the analytics for the 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and all are in one place. So we can simply schedule, we can directly post it, or also we can track all the analytics in one platform here. And all we do with this single simple workflow right here. That's how you can use Postage with n8n to automate posting across all your social media platforms with just one workflow. I know this video is long and it's raw video. I don't edit much because I want to share the value with you guys. If you find this video helpful, please let me know. And if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thanks.